सो वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स। सो आज देखते हैं हम हाउ टू मेक काउंटडाउन फ्रॉम react.js। इसमें वी विल लर्न अबाउट प्रॉप, यूज इफेक्ट्स, यूज स्टेट्स, हुक्स एंड HTML CSS इज बेसिक। एंड सो विल इट इज़ जस्ट टाइप ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेशन। आपकी प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी, आपको react.js के कंपोनेंट्स कैसे यूज़ करते हैं वो भी आ जाएंगे। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। So I have set up an app setup करना is very easy. You just write npx create react app and the whole react app will be set up automatically. The libraries packages will be installed what will be needed, and this is the whole things. And I have just two files. One is count.css. I have already make a css styles so that it won't waste time, and I have add a background image. So I'll make a countdown on happy new year, so it will be a background image. So let's start. First of all, we this is the app.js in which we will work, and by default it's come like this. It's your choice, you have to make on it and want to replace on it, so it is on your choice. I will replace all those things and just I'll just remove over here and just write h1 where happy new year coming soon, and just remove this. So see, happy new year coming soon came. So let's make a function component. First of all, make a new file which is count.jsx. And if you are new to React, just I suggest you to follow this quick document of official React app, and you will see all the things from starting to end. Just follow it, and I have also learned from here, and you should also try this. So let's continue. We make a function component. So shortcut of function component, you can see React function component is this. It will take a name of file and just create a component. And first of all, at quick basis, just import first and we'll make the changes. So you just count and it will just we make a count, okay, capital C. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ काउंट आ चुका है. सो आवर होल कंपोनेंट इज रेडी. First of all, I just copy this file here and also this background image, so that we'll just have to just import this file. So first of all, I'll just name this main, and we want 4 blocks like days, hours, minutes and seconds. So we'll make a div, and for days, and we also make a use state hooks. We'll use use state use, so make a variable and state like days, and set this day. Initial value will be 0, right? So for this we have to import hooks. Import use state, side by side. I also import use effect, and from react, and we just copy this 4 things. हम यहाँ लिख देंगे hours, for here hours, and here minutes, and here seconds. So we'll make a 4 use state hooks, and just for sake of time just writing days. I just copy this 4 times. We want same block, so 1 2 3 4. We just change the names. Is hours, is here dd, and so minutes, and यहाँ पे हम लिख देंगे second. So let's see how it looks. It's look very creepy. So let's try to import the predefined CSS which I have made. It's count.css. So you can see हमने CSS import कर दिया, and how it finally looks. You can also customize the style sheet. It's up to you. I just want to show you how to make a countdown timer by using use effects and all the mathematical things. Okay, so हमने यहाँ तक तो प्रिपेयर कर लिया है. So what we want that to functionality. Now it comes about functionality. So we just pass a prop new year, and the prop will work bidirectionally, that how we can receive and send the information. Just go to app.js, and first of all let's make a variable. Let that, okay, we make a variable here, not in the return, const new year. And what we'll do, it will just give us time of that new year, Jan 1st 2024. So we'll do like new, it is a method, and कौन सी टाइम चाहिए हमें, कौन सा टाइम चाहिए, जैन 1 जनवरी का एंड 2024 dot get time. It will give us time, and all this time we'll here pass this new year. So you will see here how I'm passing the prompt. Just make sure the spelling is in here is same as here. Okay, so it will show error unless it will show error. We'll pass this, and for you I'll show you how it's coming. So we'll just log it, new year. Let's see how it's coming. See, you can see object is coming and new year, right? So it is coming continuously because time is changing continuously, so it will come. We got the new year time, that at this time the new year will be happen. So what we'll do, we make a use effect. We want a continuous thing on the change of new year time, right? So we'll do like this, we go like this, and in the new year time. So this is the whole thing on what change the new year use effect hook will be triggered. So we'll write here, and the use effect hook will be used. नाउ अब हमें क्या करना है, अब हमें एक सेट टाइम इंटरवल करना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो उसके लिए मैं एक कॉन्स्ट टाइम आईडी ले लेते हैं. लेट्स नेम इट टाइम आईडी. सो सेट टाइम इंटरवल, वेट, सेट इंटरवल, make it 1 second because it's working as 1 second, right? So what we will do, we first of all find the time of today. What is अभी क्या time हो रहा है, right? So अभी के लिए we use same new this method will give a time of today, get time. Whenever you see this video, you will find that time. I am making this video, so at this time, so I'll get this time. So I want the difference, right? I want the difference of that time, New Year's time, and the now time. So I'll make simple like const distance. What I'll do, I just subtract that both, right? New Year minus now. And for the calculation purpose, I'll divide by 1000 for, because I don't want the whole number, I want up to the 3 decimals, right? I'll do like this, okay? मैंने यहाँ तक कर लिया. Now I want to change the day, time, hour and minutes. So const, let's do this. And first of all, I want math.floor. So I want not a whole thing. So what I'll do, divide by 60. This whole calculation ये आपको मिल जाएगी नेट पे, आप देख लेना. मैंने भी वहाँ से देखी है, आप भी देख लेना. And just set it by days, and it will be days. Let's see it came or not. So see, 4 days are left. Whatever you take a time of final destination, you will get the difference about that. So I am making this on 26, 27. So I'll get 4 days left from New Year. Okay, from January 1st. Let's fastly compute about hours and minutes. Math.floor. And for this hours, I got distance 60, and I got 60 remainder 24. And set hours. This calculation will be you get in the, you can say, in the internet. आप वहाँ से देख के prefer कर सकते हैं. Wait, so 11 hours are left, and similarly const minute math.floor this here 60. Okay, and set minute. Yeah, we got it, 23 minutes. Okay, and similarly for const second, it's simple maths.floor, it's distance remainder of 60, and set second. So it is continuing saying 30, 29, 40. So you can see the whole countdown is generated, and you can use it in every applications. Like after reaching new year, you can send the message, or yeah, you can say 0 days are left. At the point of 0, you can send emails of celebrations like congratulations, new year is coming. So you can do it any application, आप किसी भी application में use कर सकते हो. And you can use it in your website. आप website पे भी as a showcase कर सकते हो कि this offer is coming at new year, so times left. So this is countdown is very helpful. So that is all from my side. If you like this video, hit a like button and share with your friends, and also subscribe it, and comment down it if you know this mathematical calculation about calculating days, hours, minutes and seconds. And if you want another video of more practice section on JS and any other programming language, just comment down below. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is this, and we'll see you in next video. Until bye bye.